This is in response to my friend Tim, who posted on Facebook last night, I need to write a poem ode to tryptophan. So here we go. This is a song that I wrote because those words just popped through my head. This is the tune of Winter Wonderland. On the couch, pants unbuttoned, watching games, can't say nothing. My speech is all slurred, I can't say a word. I'm wiped out from eating tryptophan. Through the game, I am snoozing. It's okay, my team's losing. The guys, they don't care, 'cause they're with me there, all wiped out from eating tryptophan. While we're dozing, girl folk clean the kitchen. Men are unaware as they conspire, 'cause once we're all asleep they will go shopping, and credit card bills will rocket higher. Later on, when we wake up, girls return with clothes and makeup. It's the price that you pay on Thanksgiving Day when you're wiped out from eating tryptophan. Yeah, when you're wiped out from eating tryptophan. Yeah.